Hello! Today we are doing a quick tutorial on how you, even no matter where you live, in the city, no backyard, patio, sunny window, doesn't matter. You can do this quick and easy at home to help pay and have fresh, non-E. coli vegetables, maybe. Make it quick and easy. Start out. Get a tub, any size will do. I like the 27-gallon that you can get at the box store because they're cheap, they're a decent size. I then drill a hole in the bottom and put a 3/4 inch reducing bushing and a coupler on the bottom side for drainage, and then I can pipe that however I so choose. Then what I'm going to do, take a little bit of this rock here, just going to push it up around the drain hole. It's going to help keep the dirt from clogging. Make sure you get aquarium friendly or pond friendly stones so it is not going to change your pH of your soil. There are stones, especially in the southwest, that will break down and ruin and kill your plants, so just be wary. Any stone that reacts to vinegar, don't use. Same thing applies for aquariums. Then we're going to take this big old bag of soil. This happens to be garden soil from the local box store. Heavy, so might need some help if you so. Really need to sharpen my knife. Cut open the bag here. You got to be careful what type of soil you also choose. If you get one of the finer mixes, like potting soil, you need to add something to aerate it up a little bit. Either shredded wood, perlite is a really good one. Just break it up because it's compressed. So as you can see, this has a pretty good mixture of larger pieces as well. Break it up, break it up. Most places, it's a good time to start your seeds indoors, and most seeds early January. Start them indoors, get them nice and healthy by the time the nice weather comes around. Don't forget to do your spacing research. I will try to link some information to that. So just break it up. Make sure it's not a brick. It's hard to grow on a brick. There you go, ready for tomato and a basil. 2 pepper plants. 1 cabbage. If you want to up your game a little bit, you can take an exterior plastic paint to protect this, paint on the outside to protect this from the sun. Once you get your stuff planted, mulch it, keep the moisture. Water heavy, as more so than often. And stay curious.